Just wanted to do this quick video showing how to replace the batteries in one of these Lego Marios. I picked this up recently. I'll link the video below. And yeah, doesn't work. So the way you do it is, I'll just take the hat off as well, so it's a bit easier, is you need to remove his trousers by just wiggling those off. And then I've got the batteries. It takes AAA batteries. And then you need a small Phillips head screwdriver. So then you just need to remove this screw here. So just turn it counterclockwise until you feel it start clicking. There we go. Now, how bad are these batteries going to be? You've got to get your fingernail under and kind of lift up. Let's see. Oh, there's some leakage. Right, a little bit of leakage just there. But I'll just go and get a bit of kitchen roll. It's always the danger when you're dealing with second-hand items that take batteries. Let's give it a quick wipe down. Fingers crossed it should, hopefully it won't be too bad. So you can see here that they're both facing the same direction. Ironically, the same batteries that I was using. Just whip them out. Fingernail in there. And obviously take those to the local supermarket and for recycling. Let's see, is it? Oh, it's okay. Give it a quick wipe inside just to check. There's no, thank goodness there's no corrosion. That looks all good to me. So yeah, just a case of popping the new batteries in with the positive side up first, like that, and then reattach the back. And then we'll see if he works, or whether I'm going to have to sell them as spares. Happy days. So yeah, just check that back on there, put his hat back on. Unfortunately I'm missing an ear, but I'll see if I can get a replacement for that. And there you go. So I hope that's been helpful. I will link the video below, and if you're not subscribed, I'd appreciate a subscription. Catch you in the next one. Bye.